Morning friends, again welcome to Relief Tutorials. See, in the last lecture we have seen about mirror formula, magnification formula. Mirror formula was 1 by u plus 1 by v is equals to 1 by f, and the magnification formula for the mirrors is m is equals to h dash by h is equals to minus v by u. So now based on these formulas, let us solve some numericals. So this is example number 1 from the NCERT textbook, page number 170. Look at the example. A convex mirror is used for rear view in the automobile. Already we know the use of convex mirror, that is used for the rear view in the automobile. Has a radius of curvature of 3 meter. Radius of curvature is given as 3 meter. We know that radius of curvature, if radius of curvature is 3 meter, then the focal length would be half than that. So focal length f should be 3, half of 3, it should be 3 by 2 meter, or we can say it is 1.5 meter. See, we have to take care about the Cartesian sign conventions. See, let me give you some hint. For concave mirror, let us say this is concave mirror. Here is P, F and C. Object will be always on this side. So this direction will be the direction of incident ray, and that will be positive. And this direction will be always negative because it is opposite to incident ray. So in the concave mirror, see, if I place the object here, object distance will be always negative. So in concave mirror, u is always negative. Focal length also will be on the same side. So focal length also will be always negative. Radius of curvature also is on the same side of object. So radius of curvature also will be always negative. So in the concave mirror, these three distances are always negative. If the image is formed on this side, we know the image is formed between C and F sometimes at C, sometimes beyond C. So if the image is also formed on this side, means that distance will be negative. If image is formed here behind the mirror, we know in the last case of concave mirror, image is formed behind the mirror. So in that such type of case, V will be positive, otherwise V is also negative. But these are the fixed things for concave mirror, that U, F and R is always negative. What about the convex mirror? If I say this is convex mirror, P, F and C. Now object will be always here on this side. So this is the direction of incident ray, and that will be positive. And this is the direction opposite to incident ray, that will be negative. So object distance is always on the negative side. So for the convex mirror, we are talking about convex mirror, which are the fixed things, that u is always negative. What about the focal length? Because focal length is on the right hand side, means it is in the positive direction. So focal length and radius of curvature both, R and F both are always positive. And we know in the convex mirror case, image is always formed between P and F here, means behind the mirror. So in the convex mirror, V is also fixed, and that is always what? Positive. So in the case of convex mirror, U negative, R positive always, F always positive, V will be also always positive. So when you are doing the numerical, you have to give the proper sign to the numbers. Like here, if you see, radius of curvature is 3. Because here we have convex mirror, while reading the question you mark one thing, that which type of mirror you have been given. Convex mirror it is. So in the convex mirror, radius of curvature is 3 meter positive. So F is also positive, 3 by 2 is 1.5. But if a bus is located, so here bus is an object. Here bus is located at 5 meter. U, object distance is given as 5 meter. So that is always negative. See, object distance will be always negative in both the mirrors. So u is minus 5. Find the position, nature and size. See here, what do you mean by position? Position means they are asking for to find V. Remember, whenever you see such type of numericals in exam, position means they are asking to find V. Nature means whether they are real or inverted, real and inverted, or virtual and direct. And size you can find with the help of magnification formula. Okay. The size of the bus is not given. Look at this. Obviously, the size of bus will never be given. So whenever the object size is not given and they are asking to find the size of image, size of object is not given. So how can we find the size of image? So in such type of cases, whenever the object size is not given and the size of image they are asking means they are asking for magnification. Just you have to answer that how many times image will be magnified, either smaller or bigger, whatever it may be. So these are the given informations. First of all, we have to find V. How can we find V? So you have the information of U, you have the data of F also. So U and F you are having, so you can find V with the help of mirror formula. So using mirror formula, 1 by U plus 1 by V is equals to 1 by F. Therefore, now 1 by U means 1 by minus 5, means it is minus 1 by 5, plus V is missing, so it is 1 by V is equals to 1 by F. F is 3 by 2, or we can say 1.5. So it is 1 by 3 by 2. So 3 and upon 2 will be in the numerator, so it is 2 by 3. Like this. Therefore, now V is missing. So let us keep this 1 by V here and transfer this minus 1 by 5 on the right hand side. So it is 1 by V is equals to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Therefore, it is 1 by V is equals to, now LCM of these 5 3s are 15. 5 multiplied by 2 will be 10 here, and plus 3 ones are 3 here. Therefore, it is 1 by V is equals to 30 by 15. Now transfer V is equals to, take the reciprocal to both the sides. V is equals to 15 by 13. And answer of this 15 by 13 will be near about 1.15 meter. You can do the division by yourself. So V is 1.15 meter. What does it mean? It means the bus, see, V means distance of image. So what the observer will feel that the bus is at nearly 1.15 meter. The image will be formed. This is the position of image. Image will be formed at 1.15 meter behind the mirror, because it is virtual and erect. Because it is convex mirror, we know the image is always virtual and erect. So answer of B we obtain. Nature, virtual and erect, obviously. And now the size of image. So size we can find with the help of magnification formula. We know the magnification formula. Using magnification formula. The formula for which formula for magnification you will use here? You have two formulas. M is equals to H dash by H, or M is equals to minus V by U. So obviously we are not having any information regarding this. So we have to use this option. M is equals to minus V by U. Therefore M is equals to minus V by U. Now put the values. So M is equals to minus V means this minus 1.15 means minus 15 by 13 we can write. So it is minus 15 by 13. And what is U? U is already given as minus 5. So you can write here multiply by minus 5. So minus answered 5 3 are. Now what left here? M is equals to, therefore M is equals to, minus is cancelled, sorry. So it is what? 3 by 13. Can you see that this number is 3 by 13 means this obviously the numerator is smaller. So this number will be smaller than 1. So the nearer answer of this division will be n is equals to plus 0.23. So 0.23. Answer is less. Magnification answer is less than 1. It gives you the answer. It gives you the answer that the image is smaller than the object, and plus sign indicates virtual and erect. So final answer position is at 1.15 meter. Final answer I am writing position of image. What we can write at 1.15 meter. What is the nature? Nature is virtual and erect. And what is the size? Size is smaller than the object. So this is how we can solve the problem. Data to be studied and step by step method is this. This is example number 1. Okay, example number 2. An object at 4 cm in size placed at 25 cm in front of the concave mirror. So notice one thing that we have concave mirror now. So we know in the concave mirror focal length is always negative, object distance negative. So an object 4 cm in size. So this is the size of object. Size of object means it is the height of object. And height of object always positive. So in the solution, first of all write the data. So remember when you read the question, you first write down the data which is given to you. First of all, h is given as 4 cm. H is 4. 25 cm in front of concave mirror. So u is given as minus 25 cm. Object distance always negative. Having the focal length f is given as 15 cm. In concave mirror, focal length is also negative, so minus 15 cm. See, in the textbook it is the question of NCERT textbook, page number 170. Okay, the whole question is like this: that at what distance we have to place the screen to obtain the sharp image. See, in the concave mirror, we know that the image is always real. In the 5 cases the image is real. So real image is, for example, here is the object and here the image is obtained. So you have to place a screen here. You have to place what? The white colored screen here so that you can capture the image. Real images can be captured on a screen. Virtual image cannot be. Real images can be captured on a screen. So the question is here in the textbook, you can refer the textbook, that at what distance we have to place the screen so that we can obtain the sharp image of an object. So indirectly they are asking for the image distance actually, obviously. So that is why I have short down the question. Find position means V, nature and size. The same as previous question. We can use the same method to solve them. We have given U, F. So we can find V is position using the mirror formula. Using mirror formula, 1 by U plus 1 by V is equals to 1 by F. 1 by U means minus 1 by 25 plus 1 by V which is missing here, and 1 by F means minus 1 by 15. Therefore, now 1 by V will be here, that is equals to minus 1 by 15, and take this minus 1 by 25, so it will be plus 1 by 25. Now solve this. Therefore 1 by V is equals to the LCM of 25 and 15 will be 75. So 15 5s are, so it is minus 5 plus 3. Minus 5 plus 3 means minus 2 by 75. Take the reciprocal, so it will be B is equals to minus 75 by 2, so that will be minus 37.5 centimeter. So V is minus 37.5 centimeter. And now let us find the nature. Nature we can obtain easily by magnification, and the size of image. See, here the size of image we have to find. In the previous example, the size of image means we just found how it is smaller or bigger, because the size of object was not given. But here the size of object is given. So when the size of object is given, you have to give the precise answer of size of image. So in that case, we can use the magnification formula like this. Using magnification formula, what is that? It is, see, actually m is equals to h dash by h, and also m is equals to minus b by u. But here we have to find h dash. We want to find the precise answer of magnification. Here means we have to find the answer of image of, and means height of image. H dash is our question, so we can use this relation h dash by h, magnification formula, and that is equals to minus b by u. Remember, whenever the size of object is given, you have to find the size of image always. In that case, you can use the relation of h dash by h is equals to minus b by u. So it is h dash by h. What is the value of h? It is 4. That is equals to minus of v. Minus is here and v is again minus. So it will be minus minus plus. So it will be plus 75 by 2. 75 by 2 into u. But u is again here minus. So it's minus 25. So easily 25. These are, transfer this 4 here. So h dash is equals to 3 4s are 12. 12 divided by 2, and one negative sign is here, so minus here. It's 2 6 are. So therefore h dash is 6. Sorry, h dash is minus 6 centimeter. And h dash means image size. Size of image is negative, means I think the image should be downwards, and downwards means inverted, and inverted means real. So the nature will be real and inverted. So the final answer we can write like this: position of image, what we can write simply at minus 37.5 centimeter. The answer of V you can copy here. What is the nature? Nature is real and inverted, and size of image is 6 centimeter. Otherwise you can just copy the answer, it is minus 6 centimeter, that's all. Now exercise question number 12, textbook page number 196. An object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from convex mirror. 10 centimeter from convex mirror, so the object distance is 10 centimeter, and note down it is convex mirror, so object distance always will be positive. So u is minus 10 centimeter. Of focal length 15 centimeter. In the case of convex mirror, focal length is always positive, so it is f is plus 15 centimeter. And the position and nature, they are not asking about size, because the size of object is not given here. So only we have to find position and nature. Position means here we have to find v, and from the answer of v we can also estimate the answer of nature also. And one more thing, it's a convex mirror, so the nature is always fixed, virtual and erect. So just let us find v here. So using mirror formula, using mirror formula, 1 by u plus 1 by v is 1 by f. Therefore, what is missing here? V is missing. So we can first frame the formula. 1 by V is equals to 1 by F minus 1 by U, and therefore it is now 1 by V. 1 by V is equals to 1 by F means 1 by 15. There is 1 by 15 minus 1 by U means again 1 by minus 10, so it will be minus minus plus 1 by 10. 1 minus sign is from formula and 1 minus sign is of value of U. Therefore, now 1 by V is equals to 15 and 10. So the LCM is 30. 15 2s are here and plus 10 3s are, so it is 3, and therefore it is 5 by 30. So it is 1 by 6. Take the reciprocal. So V is 6 centimeter. So you can write answer that position of image is 6 centimeter from mirror. And nature, what we can add about the nature? Nature is virtual and direct. Next question, exercise question number 40. An object of 5 cm in length. 5 cm is the length of object, means size of object. So size of object means h is given as 5 cm. Placed at a distance of 20 cm from convex mirror. So 20 cm is the object distance, should be taken as always negative, minus 20 cm. From the convex mirror of radius of curvature. So radius of curvature here is given as 30 cm. In convex mirror, radius of curvature and focal length are always positive. So R is 30 cm. So F is 15 cm because F is always half than R. Find the position, nature and size, regular questions using mirror formula. Using mirror formula, can I write the direct formula like this? Because in all the questions we have U and F, you have to find V. So it is 1 by V is equals to 1 by F minus 1 by U. I think you got it. 1 by V is equals to 1 by F means 1 by 15. So it is minus 1 by 15 minus 1 by U means minus minus plus, it is 1 by 20. Therefore, 1 by V is equals to, now the LCM for these two will be 20 and 15, so I think it will be 300. We can multiply these two numbers simply. So 15 and 20. So here let us say 15 20s are, so it is 20 and plus 15, so it is 35 by 300. Take the reciprocal. So V is 300 by 35. So 5 60s are and 5 7. 60 by 7. So it will be near about 8.2 centimeter. 60 by 7, it is near about 8.2 centimeter. So the image distance is 8.2 centimeter. And now, what about the size? So here the object size is given. Object size is given, so you have to find the image size h dash. In that case, you can use the relation h dash by h is equals to minus v by u, magnification formula relation. Therefore, h dash is equals to, see, h dash is the only missing term here. So can I write like this? It is minus v into h by u. Yes, therefore, h dash is equals to minus v minus 8.2. We can write minus 60 by 7. So minus 60 by 7 into h. H is given as 5 and u is negative 20. It is minus 20. Minus minus cancelled. 20 3s are. 5 3s are 15 by 7. So it is 2.01 centimeter like this. Okay, so the size of image is 2.01. It is positive. The answer is positive. Indicates you it is virtual and erect. So again we can write the answer. Position of image is 8.2 centimeter. Nature is virtual and erect, and size is 2.01 centimeter nearly. Okay. Question number 15. An object of size 7 centimeter is placed at 27 centimeter in front of concave mirror. So here the mirror is concave. First of all, the size of object is given as 7 centimeter. Size of object is always positive. 27 centimeter in front of concave mirror. So concave mirror object distance is given as minus 27 centimeter. Focal length for concave mirror is always negative, so it is minus 18 centimeter. Again, find position, nature and size means V and H dash you have to find. You can find V using the mirror formula. So again, using mirror formula, 1 by V is equals to 1 by F minus 1 by U. We can write directly like this. Therefore, 1 by V is equals to 1 by F means minus 1 by 80. Minus 1 by 80 minus, again minus 1 by 27, so minus plus 1 by 27. Therefore 1 by V is equals to, now LCM of 18 and 27, so it will be 54. So LCM is 54. 18 3 that is minus 3 and plus 27 2 that is plus 2. Therefore 1 by V is equals to minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1 by 54. So V is equals to minus 54 centimeter. Minus obviously indicates that image is also on the front side of mirror, so it will be real and inverted because it is concave mirror. Now what about the size? Again using the magnification relation, H dash by H is equals to V by U minus, therefore H dash is equals to minus V into H by U. Therefore H dash is equals to minus of V means minus of minus 54, so it will be 54 into H is given as 7 and U is given as minus 27. So 27, 2 is 54. 2 7 is 14 and 1 minus sign. So H dash is minus 14 centimeter. Okay. So now what about the answer? First of all, position is minus 54 centimeter. Nature is real and inverted, and size of image is minus 14 centimeter. So that's all for the numericals based on the reflection. We find some more numericals by ourselves from the different materials and try to solve them. Best of luck.